how to make money on Upwork as a social media influencer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the Get Started button to proceed to create our account. And here, make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on Apply as a freelancer. Then you will proceed to fill in the usual information like the first name, last name, and so on. And for me, I'm going to log in because I've already created my account. So here, continue with email, password, and login. And then you will proceed to create your profile. So here, this is the last step of creating your profile. So we will need to go back to the first step or the beginning. So this is the first step. Here you get started. You answer a few questions and start building your profile. Apply for open roles or list services for clients to buy. Get paid safely and know we're there to help. So let's get started. And here you'll have some questions to go through. I'm just going to skip them for now. Same thing with these questions. And here we will have some boxes to choose. So I'm going to choose all of them. As you can see, I choose all of them. Then click on Next to create a profile. And here you have three options. You can either import from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file, or you can fill out manually. It will take less than 15 minutes. So I choose to fill it out manually. Click on Start a new profile. And here, let's type our skill or our professional role, which is social media influencer. Then click on Next to add your experience. And here, click on the plus button to fill the experience field. Same thing with education as well. Just click on the plus button again and you can fill this information. Then you proceed to add in the languages. So here for English, you choose your proficiency in English, basic, conversational, fluent, native. I'm going to go with conversational. And here you add another language if you have one. For me, it's Arabic, and my level is native. Then click on Next to add your skills. And here, let's go with influencer marketing, social media content, and that's it. Then click on Next to proceed to write your bio. So here, this is an example of a bio. I'm a developer experienced in building websites and so on. And here, a bio, or now write a bio to tell the world all about yourself, help people to get to know you at a glance. What work do you do best? Tell them clearly using paragraphs and or bullet points. You can always edit later. Just make sure you proofread now. So for the bio, guys, you can just go to ChatGPT and you will take a very good bio from there. That's the easiest way. Just make sure to make some adjustments and to read the bio clearly to see if there is any mistakes. And that's it. And for me, I don't want to go to ChatGPT because it will take some time. So I'm just going to borrow Marty's bio. Thanks for that, Marty. Then click on Next to choose your categories. So here, let's search for services. So we have customer service, engineering, networking, sales and marketing. Let's go with, let's see, design and creative, photography, branding. I don't know if there is anything about content creation, sales and marketing, lead generation, telemarketing, translation, web writing. Let's go slowly. Let's go with digital marketing. This one, digital marketing. Then click on next to set your rate. So here let's choose our hourly rate. Let's go with $15 per hour, and you click on next to add your photo and location. So here you can just fill this information, and for the photo, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. Must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed, so keep that in mind. And when you're done with filling all of this information, click on review your profile in order to see and review the information that you put. And after you set your profile, I'm going to show you how you can improve it to attract more clients. And to do that, you will need to search for people like you who are in the same niche, which is the social media influencer. And then let's search and let's see our competitors. So here, this is one of the competitors. All you need to do is see what he's doing, how did he write his bio, how is he interacting with the possible clients, and just basically copy from him and copy from all the successful competitors in your field, people with a lot of money and a lot of clients, of course. Like this one, she earned 300K, as you can see, plus 300K. So you can copy from her. She's a successful social media marketer. And after that, if you want to find work easily, just go here, click on find work for your skills. And here you can see all of the listed jobs based on your keywords. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.